Hello everybody. Today we're going to be talking about the Leatherman Free T2. This is a multi-tool by Leatherman that is a slight departure from their traditional style, plier style multi-tool. This is a new one to me, although it's been on the market for a little while now. A little bit different styling from Leatherman. Packaging is pretty neat. It's a little magnetic held flap here that has some information on the multi-tool. Stay tuned for later in the video when I'll tell you how you can win this multi-tool free of charge. Little look on the back of the box. It explains the different tools. I purchased this at the local Lowe's for $39.99. Let's open it up. Open it here with the tried and true Kershaw Oh-So Sweet. Well, she doesn't seem to want to open that way. It's more of a peel open type thing. This will be the one that I give away, so I'm trying not to destroy the box for it. There we are. As soon as I'm done with this review, we'll be putting her back in the box till one of you gets to win it. There we are. Nothing in the box. Have a little card with some instructions on it. Appears to be some type of pressed cardboard. That's nice to see rather than the plastic that we see in most packaging these days. So the form factor is much like a knife, but folding knife, but a little bit thicker. Nice stainless steel construction. It kind of reminds me of kind of a quilted look. Kind of neat, modern. Appears this is the locking mechanism. Nice. It appears to be a little hollow ground blade, which I really like the hollow grind. I may have to purchase one of these for myself. These are made in the USA and have a 25-year warranty through Leatherman. There are 8 tools. Yes, this is the lock. 8 tools in this multi-tool, which include the blade, which incidentally is 420HC steel. I believe that's a stainless steel. It also is 2.2 inches long for the blade. It also has, well, let me pull the blade back out. It appears that it's easier to access the other blades when the blade is out. There is an awl with a small standard screwdriver. Then there is a Phillips head screwdriver with a bottle opener. And then lastly, a medium standard screwdriver, and they also call this a mini pry tool, which I don't know if I would pry anything real heavy with it, but it does appear to be pretty stout and thick. The overall length of this multi-tool is 3.6 inches with everything closed up, and it weighs 3.3 ounces. If you're interested in entering the contest, the rules of the contest will be you must like the video or dislike, one of the two, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel. This knife will be given away when the channel reaches 50 subscribers. As I am a new channel, I hope that that will be soon, as I want to give this away to you. I will ship it at my expense. We'll just get a hold of you after a random winner is picked from the subscribers. Thank you for watching.